Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're making samosa and spring roll fillings. If you ever wonder why your fillings taste so bland, watch this video to the end. So this is from spring roll. This is from samosa. Okay, so first of all, you want to start by gently sauteing your onions and your garlic. This step is very important in any meal that you're making because it helps to build flavor. Now, notice that the chicken that I added has already been cooked and flavored on its own, because when making spring rolls, when you turn on that stove, everything happens so fast. Because spring roll fillings do not need to be cooked for too long, that way it doesn't become mushy when it is all rolled up and fried. And when it comes to seasoning my fillings, I do not want to overpower the chicken, neither do I want to overpower the vegetables. I want each ingredient I'm using to taste like itself. And at this point, notice I did not add any moisture, no water, no broth. Like I said, you do not want your spring roll fillings to be too mushy. So at this point, I just wanted to taste for seasoning if I'm going to adjust, and it tasted so perfectly. I'm just going to scoop that onto a plate while we wait for the next step, which is our samosa. Now, can you see how that is looking? Not too mushy, not too dry. On to the next. You just want to start with the whole flavor building by sauteing your onion and your garlic before going in with your minced beef. You're going to break up your minced beef apart so that the seasonings that you're going to add is going to penetrate to each and every corner of it. Note that the process of making samosa fillings is closely related to that of making meat pie. That makes it so fascinating, makes it easier for you, especially if you're familiar with making meat pies. The only difference is that the fillings that you're going to be adding alongside the beef is different for both samosas and for meat pies, although some people use the same thing, but I'm not going to be doing that. I love my samosa fillings to have a sweet and savory taste. The sweet taste coming from the sweet corn that I'm going to be using, and then the savory taste from every other thing. So this is me going with my vegetables after my meat has been cooked to a certain degree, and I'm going in with my special sweet corn and spring onions. So I'm just going to mix all of that together and just see how everything just combines perfectly. Like, it's not too dry, it's not too mushy. So that's how I'd like mine to be, and yours as well if you follow this recipe. And I'm almost coming to the end of this. I'm just going to cook it some more, gather them up together before scooping it onto my plate. And yes, that is what we have. We have come to the end of this, and next up I'm going to be showing you how to make your spring roll and samosa wraps. This is the pan fry method, and this is what I have. This is not all. I'm going to be doing more methods, so please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.